The Dagster Plus summer update is all about platform observability and asset health. Hi, I'm Josh, a product lead at Dagster Labs, and in this video, I'm going to share a preview of everything we're shipping in our upcoming release. You can head over to dagster.io/summer to sign up for early access to these features or request a private demo from our team. Before I jump into the details, I want to talk a little bit about why we're so focused on observability and asset health. Before adopting Dagster, many data teams were working in silos. With each team managing its own pipelines and monitoring, they often struggled to collaborate effectively. Dagster changed all this by bringing teams together around a single unified control plane, making it easier to orchestrate and manage data pipelines all in one place. But unifying everyone on a single platform introduced some new challenges. With so much happening across the platform, it becomes difficult to monitor and understand what needs your attention right now. Dagster pioneered an asset-centric approach to orchestration, and it's no longer enough to rely on pipeline run statuses alone to understand the state of the platform. We've seen that data teams require deeper insights into the data assets themselves. They might wonder, how fresh are my data sets? How reliable are they? And how much do they cost me to produce? This next wave of product improvements inside of Dagster Plus aims to answer those questions and more. New capabilities like Freshness and asset health monitoring are designed to give you clear, actionable visibility into your data platform. The redesigned asset catalog makes it easier to organize data assets, explore Lineage, and observe data products. And the all-new Dagster Insights UI allows you to observe critical performance metrics in real time and provides high-level health summaries across your entire platform. Let's start by digging into the new asset freshness monitoring. Data freshness is critical because it ensures that downstream reports, analytics, and machine learning models are built on the most up-to-date and accurate data. This reduces the risk of stale or misleading insights. And for data engineers, maintaining freshness is key to preserving trust in their organization's data platform. Now, you can model these expectations right within Dagster with the new Freshness Policy API. You can define freshness policies on any asset definition, just like a tag or a group. And you can observe the state of each asset's freshness from the Dagster Plus UI. You can also set up alerts to trigger a notification anytime an asset violates its freshness policy. You can combine freshness policies with asset checks and the latest materialization result to get a sense of the overall health of each asset. In our upcoming release, we've revamped the asset health system to make it easier to spot datasets that need your attention. Every asset in Dagster Plus is now marked as either healthy, warning, or degraded. At launch, there are 3 factors that impact an asset's health status: the latest materialization event, data quality check results, and its freshness policy. In the UI, you can hover over a health indicator to see a detailed breakdown of each of these conditions, so you know exactly why an asset might be degraded or healthy. You can filter and sort assets by their current health status, trigger alerts on state changes, and preview a short history of events for each asset to spot flaky executions right at a glance. Next up, I want to talk about some improvements we're making to the asset catalog. The catalog is a great place to discover and monitor datasets. And many of our customers have adopted a data product methodology that treats datasets as well-defined, reusable, and reliable products rather than one-off deliverables from a pipeline. In this upcoming release, we're making it easier to define and observe data products right within Dagster Plus with a new feature we're calling Saved Selections. Saved Selections allow you to build custom dashboards for any variety of assets. You can select assets by key, tag, kind, and owner, and they're backed by our powerful new selection syntax, so you can really fine-tune how assets appear within each selection. For example, you might build a dashboard to monitor all the assets that power a specific report, or all assets owned by a certain engineer or team. Saved selections are created right from the asset catalog, and they can be shared across your organization or locked down so they're only visible to you. You can pin saved selections to the new Dagster Plus homepage so you can quickly access dashboards you care most about. At launch, each saved selection dashboard has 3 tabs: an Assets tab, Lineage, and Insights. The Assets page provides a quick look at all the assets within your selection. You can review the status of each one and click into an asset for more details about it. The Lineage tab helps you understand the dependencies across your selection. It's a great way to visualize how data flows through your platform and trace the upstream or downstream impacts of a failure. Now we're making it easier to customize the metadata you can see on each asset with a feature we're calling Lineage Facets. With facets, you can turn pieces of metadata on or off. You can scope assets down to just their name or scale it all the way up to include metadata like asset owner, automation conditions, latest materialization details, and of course, asset status. Each user can decide which facets are right for them, and we plan to introduce even more facets in the future. Next up is the all-new Insights tab. Insights allows you to monitor trends across your saved selections, and we've redesigned it to provide a more comprehensive dashboard-style overview. It features multiple new metrics like asset success rate, time to resolution, freshness hit rate, and check success rate. The new design brings all of your metrics into a single view with hourly breakdowns and clear asset level comparisons. These metrics flow into the new Insights dashboards almost instantly. This updated design turns Insights into a true storytelling and diagnostic tool. Instead of hunting through separate screens or observability tools, data teams can now spot bottlenecks and anomalies across their platform, all in one place and all in real time. To round out our catalog improvements, we've also added asset favorites. You can add assets to your favorites list just by clicking the star icon throughout the UI. Favorites is a great way to keep track of assets you visit often. And it works just like any other saved selection. So you can pin it to your homepage, explore Lineage, or view insights for your favorite assets. We're really excited about the future of Dagster Plus, and we're rolling out these features to a select set of customers in our private beta starting today. You can sign up for the beta program or request a demo at dagster.io/summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait for you to try these features out for yourself. We'll see you next time.